Hello everyone, this is Meredith from Eat, Stretch, Explore. Today I have another unboxing video for you. This time it is PR that was sent to me for my review. I will obviously give you my honest feedback about them, and this will be my first impressions. So obviously I haven't opened them yet, so I can't give you like a full review or anything like that. For a fuller review, definitely keep following this channel, maybe subscribe or something. It's up to you. Or else just keep checking back on my blog. It will always be linked below because I will give kind of a written post later as I have a more fuller developed opinion about products. I can also organize my thoughts a little bit better because this is all off the cuff. I just say exactly what comes off of my top of my head when I'm talking to the camera. I apologize if you've already watched my BoxyCharm video, which I just filmed before this, because you were very close to me, and I think I figured out the filming setup so that you're not quite in my face, because I realized that you were very close and you got to see all my pimples in the last video. So that's life. So here we are on Thursday, 2 days after the election. Basically, I'm just filming this as a way to make it so I don't compulsively refresh my news on my computer to get the results. So here we are. I do have 3 packages to open. I believe that these are all skincare or beauty realm. So if that sort of stuff doesn't interest you, just click out of the video. I think I will have a couple of lifestyle products coming my way in a little bit. But that's if I read my emails correctly. So here we are. So there are a couple of smaller packages here and then a larger package here. I think I know what's in this one because I did receive an email and tracking number for that one. So I think going forward, I will open PR packages as they arrive, maybe do a collection of 2 or 3, just because it'll be a little bit less strenuous to edit. But these just arrived in the past couple days, so I thought this would be a great time to open them for you. So this is a small package. I'm not sure what this is. So here we are opening this first package here, and I haven't seen what's in it yet. Let me just pour it out. This product will never die. I've received 2 of these already to review from various different PR firms and channels. So one came from Influencer, the other one just showed up at my door. This one also just showed up at my door. This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. So honestly, this will be my 3rd one to receive, as I mentioned. Spoiler alert, I do not like it. So I will definitely give this to my mom. She has been liking it. I think personally, my opinion is, based on my experience, it's not good for people that don't have mature skin. So I am in my 30s, but my skin doesn't really have any wrinkles yet or anything like that. I think it's just number 1, genetics, and number 2, I drink a lot of water. So this particular product made me break out so bad. So that's part of the reason why I'm breaking out. The 2nd is election stress, 3rd is work stress, 4th is hormones. So this was definitely not a product to be trying when all of those things were going on, because my face was like a giant pimple for the past week and a half. So I will be definitely giving this to my mom because she does like it. She does have more mature skin with some of the other things that this is supposed to correct. So let me see here. So this information says it fights multiple signs of aging, packed with nourishing antioxidants and hydrating hyaluronic acid, new fast repair and youth generating power. In just 3 weeks, 88% of women said their skin looked more youthful. So if you are interested, I will give you this code, just because I don't think I signed any contract for this product, because I would not have requested this one just based on my own experience. If you're interested, you can go to esteelauder.com and get 15% off with the code NEWFASTREPAIR. So I will be giving this to my mom. She does like it. It does work for her skin. I think I posted already on my blog a comparison between the Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder versus the La Mer Concentrate. So spoiler alert, the La Mer Concentrate did work better than the Estee Lauder, but I don't think either one of them is worth the price. The Estee Lauder in that test also did break me out, so I do think that something in here does not agree with my skin, and I will investigate further into what it is, but I will not be using this product. The second item here is on a nondescript bubble mailer. So I'm not entirely sure what it is, but I think I know what it is. I just didn't get a tracking number for this item. So let me see. Yes, I was correct. So I received this from a consumer website. So if you're interested, I'll link it below. It's Octoly. Let me just tell you though, it's very frustrating to use. I probably would not recommend it if I wouldn't have already started using it. I am not signed up as an influencer on there because I don't know why, but they said I don't have enough followers on Instagram, but they only require 1,000 followers. So I don't know what happened to my application. Nobody really answers any emails. It's also very difficult to use the application. Whenever there's a launch, the app kind of shuts down and everything kind of doesn't work. So it's a big struggle. So this is the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Color. It's 27 gel nail strips and it lasts up to 14 days. So basically the reason why I was interested in trying this out is because I have been wanting to kind of start focusing on my nails a little bit more. So it should be pretty easy to apply apparently, according to this back here. It looks like 5 steps, but I will definitely be watching a YouTube video so I don't mess it up. It does look like it is 27 gel strips. So as I was mentioning, Octoly is very difficult to use. So when I signed on, they had like 5 colors available, and I had it where I was basically putting in my shipping information, and then it was like not available anymore. Anyway, so I ended up with a color I did not prefer, but I did want to try out the product, and then I would purchase, obviously, the color that I would prefer later if this does work out for me. So I received it in the color Vanilla Bean. Let me see if I can pull it back here just to show you. It's kind of like an off-white color. I was kind of hoping for one of the more brown sort of neutral colors, but I will try this out and let you know what I think about the application process, and also like if it does actually stay up to 14 days. And finally, this is the big one here. So I do think I know what this is, and I'm very interested in trying this out. So it looks like I can actually pull it open. No, I can't. So this is what I thought it was. It is the Dr. Zenovia Hormonal Dermatology. So the top 3 reasons why I decided to receive this PR is because I was struggling with hormonal acne myself at the moment that email hit my inbox. The second reason was because my friends were also texting me saying that they were struggling with some hormonal acne and just like general acne as well. But all of us kind of were like kind of confused why we suddenly started having hormonal acne problems. So like mine shows up on my chin, which is definitely a hormonal issue. I just haven't had that in the past, so it was just strange that it all happened at the same time. And the third reason why I decided to receive this is that it's easily accessible at Sephora. And I feel like I kind of trust Sephora to kind of look into the brands a little bit more and to kind of do a little bit of research about whether or not the companies are reputable, that sort of thing. And you also know you will never receive fakes from Sephora. So just as a glimpse into some of the things that come into my inbox, I definitely turn down things that are like skincare and beauty products from Amazon. I know it's a little bit controversial, but I personally don't want to tell my followers that I endorse or like a product, like a skincare product that you put on your face and your skin that's from Amazon, because it is on Amazon and there could be multiple listings and some of them are real, some of them are fakes, that sort of thing. But that's completely a personal thing. And I understand that some people do enjoy Amazon, but I just try to shy away from it. So since it is easily accessible at Sephora online, I felt confident receiving this because if I did receive it and I liked it, I could easily purchase it. And then I could also easily be able to tell my friends or followers if they asked me about this product, how they could find it. So this is what the PR package looks like. So it says here, my goal is to empower women to achieve optimal skin health. It starts with understanding the strong connection between hormonal balance and skin. So here we go. Let me read you this other information. Okay, so here it says, let's celebrate Dr. Zenovia's Clear Complexion Collection and Essentials Collection are now available at Sephora.com. So it looks like there might be 7 different products in this line. So I'm not entirely sure everything I received. I think it's only 2 products. So I am very interested again, just because it is available at Sephora, to share it with you. So again, this will be my first impressions, and my fuller review will be on my blog. And I will probably do a recap in a little bit after I have a fuller opinion about it as a video. So it says here, just 2 steps to your clear, hormonally balanced complexion. Step 1, exfoliate. Step 2, moisturize. So as a further disclosure for this PR, I wasn't required to give any sort of review or anything. So any sort of review I give for them will be 100% you can trust it, just because I don't care if I continue to get PR from them, and also I don't want to put out information that I don't believe in either. This is what it looks like, so let me pull it open here. So I did receive 2 items here. So I do recall that these are exactly what they said were going to be in this box. So the first item here is clear complexion, 10% glycolic acne peel pads, 2% salicylic acid, regulate 360 complex, promotes exfoliation and skin renewal while reducing acne and scarring. So it does say here that the active ingredient is salicylic acid, 2% for acne treatment. And the uses say for treatment and management of acne, penetrates pores to eliminate most acne and blemishes, helps prevent development of new acne, blemishes, and blackheads. And let's see, directions. Gently wipe pad over clean face, avoiding the eye area. Use once or twice daily. A tingling sensation may occur and is normal. So I'll put the information about the pricing below, and I'll also put like a screenshot of the ingredients on the screen, just because I don't think it'll show up on my camera. So when I did do the research, not only was I looking to see where it was sold, but I was also looking at the price point, just because I am a budget conscious person, and I do think that a lot of my friends are also budget conscious. So I didn't want to start testing out a product that I personally can't afford to repurchase. So I think these came in at around $40, which I think is a great price, because I mean, I probably won't be using these every day. Okay, so it is 60 pads, so that's a pretty good value for your money in my opinion, because even like the drugstore pads are kind of expensive, and I think they come with fewer pads. So it says here that the Regulate 360 Active Complex has a bunch of things that are scientific words that I probably can pronounce, but not when I'm stressed out looking at a camera. But it does not look like there are any additional fragrances or anything added. Okay, so these are the ingredients. Hopefully it'll show up. If not, I'll screenshot it. And then let me see here. Clinically formulated to help control acne, a medical grade blend of 10% glycolic acid, 2% salicylic acid, and Regulate 360 complex effectively targets acne and post-acne scars by promoting the skin cell renewal process, unclogging pores, and balancing sebum production. So let me open this up for you. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty basic packaging here. It's like a matte sort of plastic. And let me open it. Okay, so it is sealed, so I will not open it right now, just because I don't want to get my grimy hands in there. But I am excited to try this out, and again, I will update you in the future. And then the second item in the box is the Dr. Zenovia Aloe Vera Blemish Soothing Moisturizer with squalene antioxidants, oil-free hydration to soothe redness on acne-prone skin. 45 milliliters, 1.5 fluid ounces. So again, this is also available on Sephora. So it says it is committed to cruelty-free, gluten-free, artificial color-free, no phthalates, no parabens, no sodium lauryl sulfates, no petroleum mineral oil, no propylene glycol. It's made with reduced plastic and recyclable. And then it's made with the same Regulate 360 Active Complex. It does look like there is no additional sort of synthetic fragrances, and here's the information again. It says clinical grade formula to hydrate, soothe, and balance acne prone skin. It's ultra light, non-comedogenic, so like doesn't cause breakouts. Moisturizer features skin soothing squalene, aloe vera, and a clinically curated antioxidant blend to deliver superior oil-free hydration and free radical protection. Apply a rich layer onto clean face or neck utilizing circular motion. Use AM and PM. So it is made in the US. Let me see this other one. Yeah, so both of these are made in the United States of foreign and domestic parts, and everything is recyclable. So I am very interested in trying this out, because as I mentioned, I am having some issues with hormonal acne. So if this can help me, then I am very interested in it. So this is, it feels like maybe glass container, and here it is here. I'm sorry, there's like a huge fly. So this is what the pump looks like. So let me quickly put some sanitizer on. Okay, so it just sanitized, and here we are. So let me give a quick pump to show you what it looks like. Yeah, so I don't think it has any scent really. It's a nice white sort of light consistency. It does seem to be able to spread on pretty evenly and easily, but I don't really smell any scent from this moisturizer, and it's already absorbing into my skin, and it's very soft and kind of velvety feeling. So I will definitely give this a try. I'm trying a few moisturizers right now, and one I definitely don't like. The other one I've been liking pretty well, but it's kind of thick for me right now. So we started having a heat wave of sorts, so the other one is a little bit too thick for right now, but it'll be definitely great for winter. So I am going to add this into my skincare regimen this evening even, as we go on. So that's everything I received today in PR. If you're still watching somehow, please comment below what kind of products you're interested in me kind of seeking out or maybe replying to when they send me emails. I mean, if you're actually interested in Amazon products, I might consider doing those in the future, just if that's something that you want to know about. But I personally am a little bit scared about Amazon products, especially for skincare. If it's something like electronics or like a book or something, I would be happy to review it. But I don't think that those are very interesting probably for most of you on this channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about my first uses of any of these products, except for the A&P. I definitely let you know with this A&P how I felt about this. But with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day and enjoy the rest of your week. Goodbye.